If you want to turn on the Asana integration in WebWork, you can do that by going down to Integrations. From here you should go find Asana and press Enable. Once you press Enable, WebWork will need access to your Asana account. You need to go ahead and give permission to it. Once you gave the permission, you'll need to choose what workspace you want to integrate with. And once you chose it, you should go ahead and press Submit. Once you've selected the workspace, your integration is successfully set up. Firstly, we have the Members section. From here, you can invite members from your Asana workspace to WebWork. You can choose specific members to invite, or you can go ahead and invite all of them. So for example, I'll go ahead and choose this member, then press Import. And as you can see, this member has been successfully imported. After that, we have Projects. Here you'll be able to see all the projects that you have in Asana, as well as the statuses. From here, you can go ahead and choose what project you want to integrate, as well as if you want to integrate with the tasks assigned to it. As well as on the right, you can also choose what statuses will be imported with the tasks. Once I'm done, I can go ahead and press Import. And as you can see, this project is currently being imported from Asana to WebWork. Now, if you want all of your projects and tasks from Asana to be automatically imported into WebWork, you can do that by turning on AutoSync. To turn on AutoSync, you can simply follow this link, then go down and press Create New Token. You can go ahead and name it as well. Once the token has been created, you can go ahead and copy the token. Then go back to WebWork and paste the token. Then from here, you can choose if your projects and tasks will be automatically synced into WebWork. Firstly, we have no sync. What this means is that if you create a project or task in Asana, it will not be automatically imported into WebWork. Then we have AutoSync. This means that any new task or project will be automatically synced into WebWork. And lastly, we have AutoSync and AutoRemove. What this means is that whenever you edit, delete, or change a specific project or task, it will also edit or change or delete within WebWork as well. Now, if you want to send time data you track on WebWork to Asana, you can enable Send Track Time Data from WebWork. Once you're done, you can go ahead and press Save. And as you can see, the AutoSync has been successfully enabled. Once you turn on Send Track Time Data from WebWork, you'll be able to see the time you tracked in WebWork within Asana. The time tracked will only be shown for tasks. So for example, if we go to Asana, then we go to the task we've imported, we can go and press the plus button, and from here we can choose time tracking. From here you'll be able to see the time tracked on each task. So for example, in the actual time, you can see that I tracked for this task 1 hour. If we go back to project, we can view that our project has been successfully imported. As we can see here, the project has been successfully imported. And if we go ahead and look at the tasks, we can see that the tasks have been imported as well as the statuses.